I guess I did it. I finally did it. I'm taking my shop and my DIY to the next level. We have a brand new motorcycle lift right here, waiting to be taken apart, put together, and put to work. Let's get this done. Well, one of the biggest questions everybody's asked so far is what one did I get? I got the A+. I did get the one that has the extended sides because you never know what you're going to be working on, and I thought extra workbenches on either side would be really nice too. So just because I have Fatboys and V-rods right now doesn't mean that one day I might not end up with a trike, or who knows. So figured I would buy one that can cover it all. I did get the 1,500 pound instead of the 1,000 pound, so I would have the lift that could do it all. Whew! She is out of the box. Now let's put her all together and see how she works. Alright, in case you were wondering, there are no step-by-step directions of this goes here, you use these bolts for here. So it must be pretty simple. Haven't paid that much attention, but let's see if we can put it together without any real instructions. Alright, she's up where I can work on her a little better. I did have to dig the air hose out from underneath, so I probably should have done that before I rolled it over. Had no idea it was there. Anyway, dug it out, aired it up. Now it's a little more workable. Yeah, so when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I was wrong. I guess the pages stuck together or something. But there is step-by-step instructions on how to put this thing together. Would have probably made my life easier had I found them a little bit earlier. But anyway, it's really not that big a deal. You've got your table, you've got your air hose, you've got your clamp, I mean, that's pretty much it. I have the sides that I don't know whether I'll put on today or not because I don't need them, but I did get both side extensions as well. There's also an extension on the front of this for choppers. I'm not going to put it on because, well, I don't have any choppers here right now, but I wouldn't be opposed to having a chopper, so I might as well have a lift that can handle a chopper, a three-wheeler, anything I can throw at it. First impressions, looks like it's built very, very well. It's my favorite colors, black and orange, so I can't complain there. I haven't put a bike on it yet. I'll tell you about that here in a little bit, but pretty easy to install. It's got wheels so you can roll it around if you need to. Yeah, so far so good. 2 thumbs up. All right, there she is. She's all together. I went ahead and put the sides on. I didn't video it, so I'll just tell you. There are 3 different bars, 2 that go all the way through. So the front 2, this one, and this one, they go all the way through and hold these up. And then the very back one's actually a short piece. It only goes through to about here. But anyway, that's the 3 pieces that hold the sides up. Easily to remove. or leave in place, whichever you choose. There's 2 more ramps here to make it a wide ramp. I don't need those, so they're put up. And like I said earlier, there's actually an extension that extends it longer for a chopper. Who knows if I'll ever get a chopper, but if I do, I'm ready, or a 3-wheeler. But anyway, let's give you an overview of this thing. So of course, here's your plate for your rear tire. Pull that out. Get your rear tire. There's your clamp. There's the jack that comes with. I notice there's no rubber here. I'm not really a fan of that, so I actually ordered some off of Amazon. Anyway, that's what she looks like right there. Here's the underneath view. Does have a safety catch here. And this has a release. So you pull this to release that safety hatch when you want to lower it down. Just pull that and it holds it into place. Easy peasy. But that's it, guys. That is the new lift. Now, I want to be very specific. This is not a review video of this lift because I haven't used it yet. I will do a review, I don't know, maybe 6 months, a year, after I've used it for a while, and I can give you my genuine opinion of what I think of the whole thing. But putting it together, it came boxed well. No big dents, no scratches. They delivered it right to my door, which was fantastic. Pretty simple to put together once you kind of got all the pieces laid out and put them all together, but pretty easy. And it worked from the get-go. There wasn't anything special I had to do. So anyway, from that standpoint, so far so good. Can't wait to get a bike on it tomorrow and give it a try. Mama Badger's bike got a lot of stuff to do, so her bike will be the first one to use it. Anywho, stick around for that video, but that is my review of the A+. I said review, didn't I? It's not a review. That is my, it's not an installation either. That is my unboxing, unwrapping, and setting up of the new rack. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.